This 2018 Thor AXIS 27.7 is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor is 28 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 7, DVD player, skylight, external shower, air conditioning, stovetop burner, awning, leveling jacks, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2018 Thor AXIS 27.7 is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.